Hey, before starting with the topic, let me ask you a question. Have you been tagged in this meme? If yes, then this video is made for you. And if your answer is no, then also this topic is for you because it is interesting. Please stay with us to know why can't you or your friend grow beard even at 20s. You believe or don't, but growing beard is still a part of every boy's dream at their 20s to look cool and attractive. And also, having beard makes you look somewhat adult. And on the other hand, without beard at their 20s, you may have an idea how these people look like. Okay, let's begin with the fact or the reason behind it. See, let me tell you first. These both cases, with beard and without beard, are all good at some points, which I will cover as you do a favor of staying till the end of this video. I guess everyone knows about these hormones called testosterone and androgen. These are the hormones which drive and regulate the sexual characteristics of man and woman respectively. In men, those characteristics include the growth of facial hair and sexual virility. After hearing this, please don't make a point that lacking testosterone is the reason for no beard. It is not really like that. Well, almost all men are created equal, except for those, an unfortunate few, the major of men boast the same levels of testosterone. However, you may be thinking what differentiates the bearded crowd from the gleaming, clean-chinned ones. And here it is. It is how their genes react to their testosterone, which is solely genetics. Hair, whether facial or your scalp, is grown when dihydrotestosterone, a molecule synthesized from testosterone, binds with the receptor on your skin. Hair growth is not determined by testosterone itself, but by how well this receptor responds to it. Their sensitivity is determined by your genes which you have got from your parents. That being said, it also comes down to chance. Mutations are random or unpredictable. So, while the offspring of a beardless man will be predisposed to beardless, that may not always be the case. So, it will be your luck to get beard due to mutations. What can you do? First, make sure that you don't have alopecia. Alopecia is a condition that renders patients severely bald and facially hairless. What is more heartbreaking is the fact that it is a consequence of a rare mistake committed by our generally conscientious bodies. It is caused when the immune system accidentally attacks hair follicles, the region where hair growth begins, by mistake, and puts you in trouble. The damage isn't permanent, but the reason it is important to diagnose is that the supplements prescribed by a dermatologist to treat this condition are different from the supplements prescribed for facial hair growth. Another reason why you can't grow a beard might be because you suffer from an iron deficiency or anemia, condition for which one can easily treat it. Some forums also recommend better, healthier diets, improved sleep patterns, and for some inexplicable reasons, avoiding excess stress. Lastly, researchers have also found that the more sensitive a body is to DHT, the more susceptible it is to go bald. Men who sport a beard as soon as they enter high school have a very high chance of cultivating crop circles on their head or going completely bald as they get older. On the other hand, men who are late bloomers with thinner shrubs or patches of beard will likely retain their precious hair. So, even though you might look more masculine and mature in beard, it comes at the cost of growing prematurely bald and looking uncool later. So at the end, you got the thing that having a great beard and having no beard are all good at their own places. So whatever you got, be happy with it and enjoy. Subscribe to our channel for knowing the top fact stuff in our surroundings, and do me another favor by telling whether you are happy or unhappy with whatever you got in the below comment section, and leave a like if you like the video. Thank you for being with me till the end of this video.